Hello everyone, welcome to Tejas Bhatt channel. Nowadays, government have enabling coronavirus related quarantines and a lockdown, and many people are still working from home. So, in this tough situation, teaching is also possible in simple way. For this, one of the best software will be used, which is nothing but a Google Classroom. In this software, teachers teach to the students and given a task, assignment, and also possible to take a MCQ exam. For this, open a browser, any of the browser as a Edge, Mozilla, Chrome, etc. I open a Chrome browser, type here classroom.google.com. Then it asks for the login from the Google account. Here, ask for the password. This is nothing but a dashboard of Classroom. Okay, now see, I am using a Google Chrome browser, and it has also an extension for Google Classroom. For this, go to the right top side, tap on the three dots, go to the more tools, then extensions, then go in the below side, open Chrome Web Store, type here in a search bar Google Classroom. See here, this is a extension is available. Simply you have to add to the Chrome and download it in particular this browser. Okay, now it will be shown in a shortcut of browser. Okay, now come to the dashboard. Plus sign on topmost side, tap on it. It shows two options as a join class and a create a class. Okay, if you are a teacher, then simply tap on a create a class. Okay, now it shows a message as a terms and condition. Just tick mark here as a read conditions, and then continue. Okay, now here we create a class. I simply written here as a SYCE section A. Subject name is OS. Room number 105. Okay, then tap on a create. Now see here, this is the SYCE class is created in a classroom. See here, there are number of tabs are there as a streams, classwork means if you given classwork to the student, it will be shown here. People, that means number of students who are present into the class, it will be shown here. Then marks, marks will be shown in this page. If if you are taken a test and given a marks to a particular students, then it will be shown here. Okay, now in this interface, it shows the class section and shows the class code. Okay, that code have to copy and send to the students via WhatsApp, mail, etc. Main thing is students will join this class using this code only. Okay, now simply I copy this code and paste onto the students login. Okay, now I open one new browser. See here, this is the students login and this is the students dashboard. Okay, now simply students has to join that class. Okay, for that simply tap on a plus sign, then tap on a join class. Now we have to paste here that code as a teacher for the teacher has provided for the joining the class. Okay, post is pasted here. Now you simply tap to the join. Okay, see here, student is joined at SYCE class 8. Now see here on above, some tabs are there as a stream, as a main dashboards are there. Second is a classwork. Uh, this page will be shown here as a teacher has provided some as a classwork. That classwork will be shown on this page. People, it shows here who is the teachers, right? Okay, now back to the main screen. Okay, now we move to the as a teachers login. Okay, now we are on a teachers login. Okay, see here, as a teachers want to share something with class or students, simply tap here. If you want to share as a some message, you can write here. Okay, uh, now if you want to share this message to all students, simply we select all the students. If you want to particular students, it's listed enrolled students will be shown here, that you have to tap on this particular students. Okay, now I want to send all the students, right? Okay, if you want to share something with a file, some link, Google Drive or YouTube, okay, simply we have to select as a tap on that particular options. I select the YouTube. Okay, now it will be open a new window, and simply we have to paste a URL which that you have to share to the students. Okay, I share this. Okay, now this link will be shared to the students. Simply I add. Okay, now see here what we have to do. Simply we have to post that message and a link. Okay, some options also available here. If you want to schedule the post, that means on which time and date, so you can save the draft also. You can also cancel this post. Okay, now I simply post this message and a YouTube link to the class. Simply tap on a post. After posting a message and a video link, this will be shown on every student's dashboard. Okay, let's we check on one of the students' dashboard, it's received or not. Okay, now we are on a student's dashboard. Okay, see here, so as the message stream was updated, now tap on it. See, the teacher has given a message and one of the YouTube link that will be shown here, yes, shown here on this student's dashboard. Okay, that means every message, everything which teachers will share to the students, that will be shown on every student's dashboard. Okay, now if student want to send them to the teacher, simply we have to return here as a thank you sir, then post. This message will be shown to the as a teacher's dashboard. Okay, I posted. Okay, now we are moved to the teacher's dashboard. Okay, see, we are on a teacher's dashboard. See, the message is received as a one of the students sent, thank you, sir. Okay. Okay, now move on to the next step as a classwork. In this classwork, teacher gives any kind of classwork as a assignment, questions. For this, teacher has to tap on a create button. Here's number of options are there, given assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, okay, reuse, post. Okay, now we will understand one by one. Firstly, we understand what is assignment, how to give a classwork to the student. Tap on assignment. Okay, see, it asks for the title of assignment. I say as a what is OS. Okay, instruction optional are there. Which students that we have to give assignment as a all students or individual class, points of assignment. That means you have to define some last date for the submission. You can also define here the 17 date. Okay, now here is the rubric is there, means is define some set of instruction or rules. Okay, now here some options are there is add button, It shows number of options we already discussed: YouTube, file, link, Google Drive. Okay, now if you want to create a Google form, drawing, sheet, slides, doc, we can also create from this create button. Okay, now here is the some options are there in assigned is a schedule on which date get assignment has to be show on student dashboard. Draft. Okay, if you already saw save draft, discard draft also is option available. Okay, now simply I tap on a assign. That means this assignment will be shown to the students dashboard. Okay, okay, see here this assignment is created. Now we move to the students dashboard. Now we are on a student dashboard. It shows as a message stream is updated. Simply tap here show. Okay, now go to the classwork tab. Is loaded. Yes, assignment is here for the students and has to submit before the 17th date. Okay, now open it. View assignment. Here it shows as a title of assignment, submission of assignment as a last date of submission, point of assignment. Okay, if you want to comment that comment will be shown to the whole class. You can also comment to the privately to the teacher. Okay, now see here. Here, if you assign your assignment, have to submit. Simply if by mistakenly you done as a mark as a done, then it's asked for that you didn't attach your work, right? Then you also forcefully tap on a marks as a done. It shows as a your assignment is unsubmitted, right? That means you have to compulsory your attach your assignment, right? So I simply unsubmitted. Okay, so now for that you have to add your assignment, your Google from Google Drive, link, file, doc file, slide, create anyone you can create among this. Okay, I have a file. I selected that file from my device. Upload. Now, then after I can submit this assignment. Yes. Okay, after submission, that assignment will be reflect to the teacher's dashboard. Okay, let's we see what exactly seen on a teacher's dashboard. Now we are on a teacher's dashboard. Okay, now move to the next step is a marks tab. Here shown as one of the students has submitted the assignment. Simply tap on it. Okay, see here assignment is submitted. If you want to check full details, you can simply tap here view details. Okay, now handed in. Okay, now okay, now the assignment is submitted. If you want to give a marks out of 100, simply tap here and given a marks out of 100. Okay, now saving it. Okay, that means the marks will be also shown to the students dashboard. And you can also comment here and post. The message will also show to the student dashboard. Okay, now you can also create an assignment as a quiz assignment, as MCQ assignment, given a question paper material also provide to the students. Okay, now most important tab is people. See, if you want to add number of faculties, simply tap here as a +1. Okay, now given a mail address to that faculty, then invite. That invite has a request for the joining this classroom, and after that it will be joined easily into the classroom. Okay, that means multiple teachers we can also possible to allow to here. Okay, now we can also add number of students also as a simply invite to the students. Okay, this is Google Classroom. Is very helpful to teacher, and hope so you easily understand the what is Google Classroom and how to use. Okay, if you have any suggestion, doubts or queries, please mention on comment box. I will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for notification of more technical and useful videos which keep in our channel, and also like and comments. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay home. Take care.